Hi guys and welcome to SciMarvels. Today we are going to tackle a trigonometric equation 9 to the power of sine squared x plus 9 to the power of cosine squared x equals 6. Let's start by recalling a fundamental trigonometric identity. Sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. From this we can deduce that cosine squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x. Now let's substitute cosine squared x with 1 minus sine squared x in our original equation. 9 to the power of sine squared x plus 9 to the power of 1 minus sine squared x equals 6, which can rewrite that 9 to the power of sine squared x plus 9 to the power of 1 times 9 to the power of minus sine squared x equals 6. Also, according to the inverse exponential identity, we know that a to the power of minus n equals 1 over a to the power of n. And by use this identity, we have 9 to the power of sine squared x plus 9 over 9 to the power of sine squared x equals 6. To simplify further, let's introduce a substitution. Let t equals 9 to the power of sine squared x. So our equation becomes t plus 9 over t equals 6. By multiplying both sides by t, we get t squared plus 9 over t times t equals 60. By rearranging, we have t squared minus 60 plus 9 equals 0. And if we pay attention, we will find that this expression is a simple perfect square. T minus 3 to the power of 2 equals 0, which concludes that t equals 3. Now we have to recall t equals 9 to the power of sine squared x. So we have 9 to the power of sine squared x equals 3. Then we can rewrite 9 as 3 to the power of 2. So we have 3 to the power of 2 to the power of sine squared x equals 3, which concludes that 3 to the power of 2 times sine squared x equals 3. And 3 in left side and right side cancel each other. So 2 times sine squared x equals 1. And sine squared x equals 1 over 2. By taking the square root of both sides, we get sine x equals the square root of 1 over 2, which is equal to the square root of 2 over 2. Finally, to find x, we take the inverse sign of both sides. Here sine x equals plus or minus the square root of 1/2. So x equals arc sine of plus or minus the square root of 2 divided by 2. This gives us two solutions. X equals plus or minus pi over 4. I hope you find this problem interesting and learn something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math problems. See you in the next time. Thank you.